the rate of decay of the old ones. So there is a gap. Okay, trees are dying more compared to their growing. So there is a gap. Okay, so here also the economy stands that our demand is high, but supply cannot catch it. So what happens? There will be deficit. There will be problem. Now you will surely say that why you are highlighting the problems only. Give me the solution. Tell me the solution. Yes, there are solutions. The first solution is to stop what we are doing now. Stop destroying forest. Stop destroying not only forest, also the water bodies, also the lush green meadows, also the those marshland, wasteland. Stop destroying them because they are also a very good source of carbon. Sorry, good sink of carbon, not source. They can also absorb lot of carbon. So we must first stop destroying these carbon sinks and then try to grow the area of our rainforests, the area of our water bodies, the area of our marshland. You will say, where is the space? So many people they do not have their own place to stay, and you are saying that increase the area of forest, water bodies, or marshland. No, I am not saying that.